made it! Welcome to Vlogmas day 9, I think. Good morning everybody, and how you all doing today? I've just driven back from Jlowe, which took me about longer than I actually thought, because the sat-nav was taking me, it's a bit close and personal, sat-nav was taking me literally all around the region. As you saw yesterday, I didn't really film much because it was more like a friend family sort of meal, so I didn't really want to film that much there. But yeah, I went out for a meal last night and then we just went back to the caravan. Yeah, my mum and dad have a caravan which we go to, and we have got our own little club. Yeah, so we did that last night, and I'm just driven to college, back from college now. Well, on my way to college, just pulled up, and I've got to text my mum because otherwise she'll scream like, "Oh, where are you? Where are you?" But yeah, I filmed yesterday and I've done 38 miles. That's shocking. Right, off to college. Woo. Hi guys, we want you to meet this beautiful specimen, Jlowe! Yeah, I'm mentioning in the vlog the other day, but he didn't know about YouTube then, but he knows about YouTube now.
Yeah, I found out.
Plot twist, he found out.
Exactly.
And he subscribed.
I did.
Subscribed.
Are you 109 then?
Yeah.
109. They're increasing. Whoop, whoop.
At the rate of 1 per day.
One per day. Well, that's better than none per day.
Exactly.
I'm on the way to shopping with Emily. I want to get some
Cereal.
No. My cereal. I want to get some baking stuff and some mints for the car, and then I might do a Christmas baking video tomorrow.
You're gonna make me some cookies.
No.
Fine. Surprise is cancelled.
I'm going to make some biscuits, reindeer biscuits instead this year for you lot, unless I eat them all.
Man.
And I might make some brownie Christmas trees.
Okay, it's too quiet. Too quiet.
What's too quiet? Yeah, it is a little bit too quiet. That's the thing, because I film on my phone. There's the
Got no music.
Music stops.
Okay, let's put like a really gay song on, would you?
And then we can have a sing song. That's what I want to do. I need to get. Oh no, put it for orcs.
Okay, well, can you hold the phone quickly?
Oh, I've covered my hand up. Hello again. I'm driving.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past and I'm home down. Staring blankly ahead, making my way through those crowds.
Vauxhall Orcs for sale.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. Jack, get in the shot. Think of you.
Thumbnail.
Think of me.
Don't belong. I don't really know this bit.
Precious memories.
Cause I need you. You watched that Vine? You watched that Vine?
What line?
If I could fall.
Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Oh, well, I like it. Let's get Jack in it. Jack, will you need a break? You know I
downtown, walking past this house, and I'm home down. Na 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 na.
Trying to look for another banger we can sing to.
Na 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 na. Very likely heads making whoa.
Should I flip the camera? There's just been a crash, guys. Should I like?
Shit.
Should I discreetly do this?
No, because I saw it.
Oh, it's being towed. That's why.
I saw
I was
it.
too busy trying to look for a song.
Just go. You've got to go.
Bloody hell.
I've still got the front camera on. Shit, I'll flip the camera.
Or I'm getting out of
Yeah,
it.
wait, no, 5 yards. Wait for like the. How bad is it?
Go.
Check.
Go now, go.
No, I know, but Jack, I'm evidence though.
Oh, juicy, oh, juicy.
Shit. I should have stopped then because I saw it.
I was really looking for a song.
He pulled out, he shouldn't
I
have
just thought you
gone.
was in the way, so like other people couldn't get past.
Have you? Did you turn it down?
I want to buy a front camera. Bloody hell.
You need to buy a stand for this because
Oh no, yeah, I need to buy one. Bloody hell, that was scary. Sorry, I turn the music down.
We'll put this on for. Oh shit,
I'm
I'll
gonna
click
get
the wrong
out now,
song.
but really, because she looked like she was about to piss herself.
Jack, do you remember this old banger from the days?
I don't know.
Dun, dun.
That's really shook me up. That is. Why are you there? You're in the wrong lane.
Fucking ticket. And I've been breaking it down.
I don't know this. That's really shook me up. That has.
You okay?
That's.
Somebody rescue me. I heard this energy and I thought, oh, you should be right. No, I played it.
Can you put another one? I don't really know this one.
Still no love for me. We're ready for the Skepta bit. Rescue me.
Oh my god,
Oh,
that was scary.
My phone's too like slippery. I keep clicking songs which I don't want to click on. Disappeared in the animals inside came out.
I know this song, but I don't know the words.
The face of all our fears. Lessons through the tears.
Oh, I'm just glad. Oh, I feel sorry for them, but I'm glad that's not me. Don't you go. Don't you pull out in front. No.
You fucking ticket.
What?
After more on your video, I'm so sorry.
It's all in your video. It's all right.
I want to like a really banging tune.
Come on, Clint.
Fucking yeah. Oh, fuck off!
I can't get up. Oh my god, I can't get up there.
This phone's too fucking sweaty. Oh fuck, what have I clicked on there? I'll get up.
That's a nice mini.
Jack, pick a song. Watch out, the screen's a bit slippy. Yeah.
Why should you do that then? That's really like. I can't believe that she was going
I
crazy.
didn't mean to put this on.
I know my phone's pissing me off, it keeps like... You alright there?
Can't even.
Did it clicked out short? You alright there? Have you figured it out?
That's horrible.
What are you having for your tea?
I don't know, to be honest. I might make something at home.
I wonder if Fry's got any chicken and waffles for me when I get to his.
I don't know, me and Em might make something. I think, oh, we haven't got pasta, so we can't have pasta. I don't think we might have anything else in the
You're going to
house.
tell Roy about the vlog or not?
Roy?
Yeah.
About Roy?
Joe, you going to tell him about this or not?
If you want to, yeah.
I'll tell him. I'll send, you can watch my YouTube genius through someone else's channel.
Does Roy still make his?
Does he fuck? He only did it for Meg.
And does Meg give up?
Well, Meg's pasta, yeah. Oh shit, I better. You gotta edit this out. You gotta edit this out.
I'm
Otherwise.
leaving that in!
No, you can't. I'm sorry. No, you gotta edit that out.
What did you say?
Does he shout?
All right.
Yeah, would you say that?
Oh no. As long as I don't like only take the piss, but just think like if Meg watches it, she'll get a little bit upset too. So.
It's on your phone.
Yeah.
I can't believe that.
I can ship a referee.
Just look at the shockness on her face.
No, yeah!
Oh my god! Don't go when dreams are made of. There's nothing I can't do.
Here in the New
You
York.
felt
What?
You're great with that.
Sorry. I can't believe that. I should have stopped.
Oh, you gave it to me upside down.
Stop it.
been watching my Vlogmas, and if you haven't, well, you wouldn't be watching it, would you? I can't really say that. Jack started now, my beautiful specimen, who I love very much. I love him more than Jordan. I'm only joking!
That's mean to Jack. I
love you equally.
That's me, yeah. I reckon you should love Jack more.
I think you should love Jordan more.
Yeah. See,
Whoa,
we're
stop fighting over me.
We're doing the British thing. We're gonna let the other person have all the other love. No, yeah. Wait, is it on the right song?
What are you doing?
I'm showing the song. I'm gonna put on that one right there.
New York. Jordan. £1 fish.
Are you a pound?
I'm gonna park an Odeon.
Right. Oh. £1 fish. £1 fish.
Why did I just change gear when I'm going over speed bump?
Because you might look to it.
Shut up.
Oh.
I hate speed bumps.
I hate this song.
I like this song too.
Fine, I'll change it. No, put a classic Maroon 5 song on. Hurt like a motherfucker. Fucker.
It's just gonna be us singing.
Yeah, it is. God.
Right, let's stop.
Have you put today's video? Day's 8?
No, I haven't been at home, have I?
Oh. Well, you got your Mac, are you?
Yes, but I need to get a card reader.
Oh, you just been doing it on the old laptop still then?
Yes. Because I went over it that too fast.
Yeah, tell us something interesting about you.
I'm really sexy.
That is true. Ellen, tell us something about you which nobody knows.
Something about me that nobody knows.
Yes.
I am fabulous. And not many people know that.
You're pretty right.
Okay. Something not many people know about me. I masturbate a lot.
Because no one knows that.
It is a secret. I also
Oh, I want to go down.
watch a lot of movies. Jack, tell us something else interesting about you.
And there's
You
no
can't put me on the
space.
spot like this.
You can't put Jack on the spot. That is something interesting about Jack. Anything else interesting? You want your 109 viewers to
Oh,
see?
there's no spaces on this row.
What's so bad about that? Do you like this row or something?
No,
You're cheating on me with this fucking row! I'll beat it up. Jack, which way are we walking
There's
back?
more on this one.
I'll take your pick, there's a shit ton.
That was really shit. What am I doing?
So, yeah, just park in this one here. You're rude. I have a really big overbite. It's monstrous. Have you got a big overbite?
I haven't got a bite. Jordan, can you not do that?
How big's your overbite, Jack? How big's your overbite? Is it big or little? Like that?
I don't know.
Do it then.
I'm not doing it.
Why not? Look at his kill. I've seen his penis.
No, you haven't.
12-inch monster.
Jordan, can you not say that on my vlog, please?
Thin as a pencil.
You can take it.
Jack, do I have permission to put you in my thumbnail, like your face?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks. Right, let's go meet Emily.
Cheers.
Pizza, commence.
Every time you say that.
What?
I know it's not avocado, but it's my anaconda don't. Anaconda don't want none of this jack bun, and it don't put that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that on.
look for another